Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC Discord tutorial. On our last tutorial video, we showed you how to create and assign roles and defining permissions for each roles. In today's video, we will be taking you on channel specific permissions and implementation of role hierarchies. Discord permissions system allows server administrators to control the actions that users can perform within a server. For example, sending of messages, files, opening of threads as well. Roles are the foundation of this permissions system, as they define sets of permissions that apply to any member possessing such role. Discord permissions can be distinguished into two levels. The server-wide permission, which is this. The at everyone permission is the server-wide permission, which applies to the entire server, while the second one is the channel-specific permission. This is the channel-specific permission. You press and hold on the channel. You click on Edit Channel. You click on Channel Permissions. Click on At Everyone. Now these are channel-specific permissions, which focuses on limiting or expanding users' capabilities within specific channels in a server. So like I said earlier, we will be taking you on channel-specific permissions and role hierarchies. Role. In here, you can adjust options such as the ability to send messages, embedded links, attach files, and the rest of it. In the Discord channel permissions take precedence over role settings. For instance, if you have up to 5 channels and you want your role member role to have access to only 4 out of 5 channels, it is recommended to grant them the view channel permission. So now let's disable a role from seeing a particular channel. I choose the links channel. I press and hold on it. I click on Edit Channel. I click on Channel Permissions. I click on Add Role. I click on the admin role, because by default the owner role has access to everything on the server. So I disable the admin role from seeing the links channel, and I will be using my alternate account to make sure this worked successfully. So I go back to the home page and I log into my alternate account, and as you can see, I cannot see the links channel with my alternate account. The links channel is not visible to me